Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Sunday, December 13th, 2020. Well, we have a cold front that is approaching this afternoon, and ahead of it, it is pretty warm out there with temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the Catskills and Poconos, down towards the coast, basically in the mid to upper 50s in the New York City metro, lowered to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro and southern New Jersey coast. It is absolutely beautiful out there. Just think, by tomorrow, we're going to be talking about snow showers passing through the region. That's right. So we're going to be in a changing weather pattern, and that is for sure. Now, these warm temperatures that you're seeing here, it is an indication of one very important factor with tomorrow's snowfall, especially for the northern interior up here. And that is that most of this will not be accumulating on the pavement, but there will be a threat for about 1 to 3 inches of snow in this area right here for tomorrow morning. By the time we get to about 2-3 p.m. in the afternoon, most of this is cleared out, and what we'll be setting up is cold air transport, setting up for our winter storm for the middle of the week. So on our surface map, here's our cold front that's moving through, and on the radar you can see just a few pesky showers here, not a washout in any way, shape, or form. It's pretty nice out there, and these showers that are going to be coming through, they're going to be relatively light, so not really expecting all that much of an impact. On our infrared satellite picture, as we look off to the west, trouble is brewing. Now, this is with the subtropical shortwave jet stream, so to say, and this is with the polar jet stream, and these two are going to interact, not phase. So what that basically means is that this swings on through with some cold air trying to race in behind it, so that's how we get the snowfall over the interior tomorrow morning. But again, most of this is not going to be able to accumulate on pavement. On grass, yes. On the bushes and on the top of your car, yes. And you could pick up 1-2 inches, and isolated 3 inches is possible, but more likely you're going to be around that 1 inch total as this passes through. For the coastal plain, yeah, you might see a snowflake mixed into the rain. You might see a trace on some grass, but that is about it. But this storm sets up the blocking needed for our next storm, which is currently moving into the Pacific Northwest. And that is what's going to set up our weather pattern for a very stormy Wednesday night into Thursday, with periods of snow for many, many locations. Yes, even along the coast. On our visible satellite picture, you can see plenty of cloud cover today. So we do have some mix of sunshine here and there. But once this cold front moves through and cold air starts to slowly push in, we'll get more cloud cover throughout the day. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, cold front moves through with some isolated showers. Temperatures will rise into the upper 40s to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast. For tonight, cold front will clear out. Look for scattered or broken cloud cover with temperatures falling into the lower to mid 30s. Tomorrow morning, from about 8 a.m. to noon, you'll see this snow developing over the interior. Again, 1 to 3 inches of snow on cold surfaces, practically nothing on the pavement, probably just a little bit of slush. So you might want to watch out for that. Along the coast, pretty much rain. Look for temperatures to rise in the afternoon into the mid 30s to lower 40s. So overall, not too bad of an afternoon with basically drying out. Now, on Tuesday, this high pressure system builds in and starts to shuttle in some pretty chilly air. Low temperatures on Tuesday will range from the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. This high pressure system will shift towards the St. Lawrence River Valley towards the evening, right about here, and start to set up what we call cold air damming. Now on Wednesday, our low pressure system starts to organize here, and eventually we'll get one solid low pressure system in the evening hours on Wednesday around the Delmarva Peninsula. In the meantime, look for increasing cloud cover with precipitation breaking out towards the evening hours, and that precipitation is going to be in the form of snow and rain. Snow over the interior, a mix of snow, sleet, and rain along the coast. As this high pressure system is building in, driving in cold air, it's going to start to support that transition over to snow. Temperatures on Wednesday will start off in the upper teens to mid 20s for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s over the interior, lower to mid 30s in the New York City metropolitan area, and mid 30s to lower 40s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Down towards southern New Jersey, mid to upper 40s. Then Wednesday night into Thursday, this storm basically bombs out. And what that does is that it draws cold air into the coastal plain, changes everyone over to snow on Thursday morning, tapering off towards the afternoon to scattered snow showers. Temperatures will be falling through the 40s, 30s, and 20s throughout the day, bottoming out in the teens and 20s as you head towards the evening. So everyone goes over to snow, and there will be a very high potential for significant snowfall for the interior, for the major cities, and yes, even for the immediate coastal plain down towards southern New Jersey. How much snow is actually going to end up will all depend on how fast we see that changeover from rain to snow on the coast, and also the development of what we call mesoscale or convective snowfall. So these are factors that we're going to have to keep an eye on as the storm gets closer and we get more data. Friday and Saturday, high pressure will be in control and rather chilly. We're looking at lows over the interior in the single digits to mid-teens, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. And then on Sunday, an area of low pressure will be approaching with some rain and snow showers towards the evening hours. Look for lows, again, rather chilly, in the single digits to mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.